Before I show you how, I've gotta say this out loud. This might be the biggest and toughest decision that I've ever made. I just applied for Africa's Business Heroes. I had no clue how to start the application process, but I figured it out, and you can too. Step 1. Head to africabusinessheroes.org. Click apply now and fill in the information to register an account if it's your first time, or you can simply log back if you have applied to ABH before. Step 2. Read the guidelines before you start applying. Yes, actually read them. You will find an overview of everything that you need to complete your application, including a copy of the application form and a list of all the documents that you need to upload. Now, get a reference. This could be your mentor, your teacher, or maybe a cool colleague you've worked with closely. Anyone who believes in you and can provide our judges with an insider perspective of who you are. Oh, and tell your reference to keep an eye out for an email from ABH too. Your reference will need to submit before May 23rd, 2025. You can always check the portal to see if you have received the testimonial. Then finish the application form. ABH's application portal saves your progress as you go. So take a break and you can pick up where you left off. And by the way, this is a pro tip. Always answer the easy questions first. You can always skip ahead and come back for the difficult ones later on. Navigating the portal is very easy. You can just click next at the bottom of the page or select the section where you want to go back on the progress bar. Start with the founder profile. This is where you can let your story shine. Be your authentic self. Tell the judges what motivates you. No need to sugarcoat. Be as passionate as you can and you'll start off strong. Next, get all your basic business info ready and fill up the business profile section. Pretty standard. Just start by sharing your basic company information and introduce your business. Can you still keep up? The next session is where I will want you to pay extra attention because this is where the application gets into detail. The business deep dive. Get comfortable because this deep dive has 6 detailed sessions for you to walk through. But don't ever panic. You will have a long way. So, let's go. 1. Outline the problem and solution your business is targeting. Number 2. Give us an overview of your market and details about your competition. Use this section to show us how many people you're impacting and what sets you apart using data and examples to back up your claims. 3. Here you get to show us how you make the money and share some details about the products and services you deliver. 4. Clearly break down the different ways you make money. Give us your full financial snapshot and be truthful with your numbers. Our judges definitely understand the highs and the lows of every business. If you get shortlisted, ABH will do due diligence and check these numbers. So I repeat, be truthful. 5. Highlight your team's strength. Introduce your founding team and significant members to the judges too. We want to know about their key skills and how you plan to help them reach their full potential. Lastly, share how you plan to reach new heights with your business in the next few years. We also want to know why you're applying for ABH. So take a look at our application benefits to understand the perks you can look forward to. Bonus points if you include specific details on how becoming an ABH finalist will amplify your impact. Just remember that as you walk through these sections, make sure to provide concrete evidence to support your claims and demonstrate the impact of your business. Now for the home stretch, all you have left is to record 3 videos. You, your employee, and your customer. Once you're happy, upload them to the portal. Then you are ready to submit. But wait, double check if everything is there. Feeling stuck? ABH has got a full support squad and they're all time ready to answer any of your questions, big or small. You're not just applying for funding, you're applying to become the next Africa's business hero. And hey, maybe I'll see you on stage this year, 2025. Let's go build Africa's future together.